number 1. The oldest temple in the world is over 1,000 years. This is the oldest recognized temple, Göbekli Tepe, which is situated in southern Turkey. The carvings on the pillars, according to historians, proved that a meteoroid strike about 11,000 years ago caused a sharp temperature drop on our Earth. Previously, the Moon was a part of our planet. According to Swedish scientists, the quantities of oxygen and titanium on the Moon are quite close to those found on Earth. The collision of planet Earth with the hypothetical planetary mass object resulted in the formation of our planet's alone permanent natural satellite. Continents will rejoin in 250 million years in the same manner as Pangaea, a 350 million year old supercontinent. It is parted into two continents, Lorena and Gondela, 175 million years ago, and eventually separated into 7 continents. Experts believe that the continents will meet and form Pangaea, a single megacontinent, approximately 250 to 300 million years from now. 71% of the surface of our planet is covered by the ocean of the world. Much of our planet is always dark. The water depth exposed to sunlight is just 655 feet, so the rest of the water is dark. As a result, much of our planet is in the dark at all times of the day. A single-celled organism initiated the first mass extinction. The Massachusetts Technology Institute is proposing an explanation of the disastrous extinction which has destroyed over 90% of the world's livelihoods. Suddenly, 252 million years ago, an enormous area named Methanocerci erupted in the seas, triggering the only known mass extinction of insects. The world's atmosphere has its limits. Kármán is an internationally recognized line which travels at height of 62 miles above sea level. Despite the fact that the atmosphere on the Earth is far higher, this demarcation between the atmosphere and outer space has been approved by the International Air Sports Federation. Mount Everest is not the world's tallest mountain. Mauna Kea is the highest point in Hawaii, standing at 13,795 feet above the sea level. While the majority of the volcano is below sea level, so if counted from the base to summit, it stands at 33,475 feet, so it's higher than Mount Everest. Antarctica is home to the world's driest location. The Atacama Desert in Chile, which hasn't seen rain in 12,000 years, is widely thought to be the driest region on Earth. But the McMurdo Dry Valleys in Antarctica haven't seen rain in over 2 million years. Winds will gust up to 200 miles per hour in this area. Fresh water makes up to 3% of the total amount of water on planet. The oceans and seas provide 97% of the world's water. However, it is salty ocean water that cannot be consumed. In that remaining 3% of fresh water, 70% is stored in the form of glaciers and 20% in lakes. Despite the fact that American Samoa is just 1,240 miles away from the Line Islands, there may be a 25-hour time gap between two neighboring nations, but there is a 25-hour time gap between the two neighbors.